Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and good night, my good people. We are back with Dinkum. This is John, and I got googly eyes. Alright, so today's quest, we got to hunt for animals, we got to eat something, and we got to clear 2 tree stumps, as well as anything else that we may be doing on the day. Oh, we got some mail. Clover has sent my black baseball cap, and Fletch we got a new level of fishing license. Well, that is very nice of Fletch. We do not need to water our crops, although our apple trees have a crop of apples. Everything is looking good. We appear to maybe have lost some crops to birds, so we need to build some scarecrows. But I'm unsure how we build the scarecrows yet, because it is a new update. The scarecrows are coming on. Alright. So watermelon, gum log, and spinifex. Well, I've got some watermelons growing. Pumpkin, gum log, and spinifex. Okay, so we're going to have to wait for the watermelons to grow before we can build them. We do have kegs available now. Copper, iron, and palm wood. We do have a few things available now. Now, we also got told we had a secondary fishing. So let's look at licenses. Hey, Fletchy. I want to get the deep mining license, but I need to upgrade some other licenses first. So fishing level 2. We can build a copper fishing rod. We'll get the pilot license, the new license, so that we can then get vehicles down the track. Because I would love to get a jet ski. Oh, we forgot to ask Fletch if she had any jobs for us today. Hey, Fletchy, let's chat. You needing it? A pirate hat. I want to buy a pirate hat. Googly eyes and a pirate hat. I'm rocking it. Let's chat. Let's see. You got any jobs for me, Theodore? Here's white stickers for sale. I will buy them. Only because it looks like I may almost be barefooted. I am barefooted. Not anymore. Did I have anything for you? Oh, I do. How's that? You can have that one. Alright. Now we should go see if John has got anything for us. Is it Sunday? John is closed, but we can still speak to him. Yes, we'll buy you a helmet. Alright, we're gonna have to get rid of a bunch of this stuff. We have to get 2 stumps. Surely there's another stump around here somewhere. More fruits. I don't want to chop down a whole tree. I would rather actually just find a random stump. You know what? I'm going to take some hardwood because I wouldn't mind having some hardwood up by my farm. Oh, hello. Could it be? Could it be? Where's the other one? Yeah, we'll swap it for the log. Could have fly? I didn't want to fly. No, bugger off fly, I wanted the other bee. Because if it was a queen bee, it would have been worth something to me. Pockets are full. Okay, I'm gonna go dump a bunch of this stuff at home. May as well cook some of these while we're here. Alright, we had to kill some animals, did we? What have we got? Alright, we need to find some animals to Magurta. Magurta some bananas. Oh, there you go, bush turkey. Now another thing we have got, we've had an update. So now, can't see any just here, but we have lizards. See if I can find us a lizard, hey? There is a lizard. See? Relatively friendly. Till you poke them with a stick. They do have electrical power. Step ya. Step ya. Step ya. stab you and stab you. Alright, we got him. And we got some thunder sacks. I know, that sounds like a dumb name. I swear I am not making it up for comedy purposes. They provide you with thunder sacks. Now, that spear is just about dead. A lot of our stuff is just about dead. Oh, we got a rogue feather over here. Oh, Jesus, these birds are just eating up all of it. Get out of here. What am I meant to do? I can't do anything until I get a watermelon. But they're eating my crops quicker than I can put them down. Get out of here, birds. I think I might have to get my trapping license and build some traps and trap some of these birds. Alright, Fletchy. No one a license. We need a trapping license, Fletchy. Alright, what do we need for these? Trap is a tin bar, old spring, and 8 mangrove sticks. Now, nails, hardwood, palm wood. Alright, so we're probably going to need some mangrove. Go away, birds. Seriously, you've just demolished my crops. Can I at least build the traps? Springs. Oh, we got one left. Bloody things are annoying. Like, look how much they've done in my crop in one day. They have taken most of my melons away, and they've taken almost half of my sugar cane. I don't know whether the birds are worse because I don't know. I need to buy some new furnaces. I know. Oh, do it. Oh, that's not a furnace. Something in my fucking crop! After all that... Some fucking hate it anyway. Jesus. I'm going to bed. I'm going to bed. I don't want to get up today. Googly eyes just aren't doing it for me. Bug catcher. What have we got today? Smelt some ores. Clear 4 tree stumps. Saw 4 planks. Catch any birds? Yes, we did. You see what happened to your friend? See what happened to your friend? Oh, lady, they ate all my stuff. No, I'm gonna very sadly water my crops, and I'll bring you back once they are watered. No, I'm gonna sell a bunch of stuff. Sell a bunch of stuff to John. Hey, John. Let's chat first, see if I got anything you want. A queen bee. I'll give it a go, mate. I'll give it a go. What else we got to sell? Shorts, pink hat, shirt. I'll save one shirt. Bucket hat, don't wear it. Get rid of that shirt. Get rid of the glasses. Get rid of the green lamp. I'm gonna take a furnace, mate. Alright. I'm going to make my way across. And we are going to harvest up some more mangrove sticks. To make some more cages to try to protect me crops. Otherwise I'm afraid I'm going to have no crops left by the time it comes time to sell them. And that just won't do. I've got some type of achievement. Selling fish. Another savvy shopper. And that's it. We still got to chop down some stumps. I don't know whether these trees will count. Apparently yes, they will count. No, going to search for ores. Probably could have used a new pickaxe, but oh well, we'll use what we got until it's gone. Excuse me. Alright, we'll head back now since we've got no pickaxe for the mining. Not even sure if we're heading the right direction. Let's have a look. No, we're not. We're actually heading the opposite direction. Well, how much crops we got left, if they've left us anything. Ah, bloody birds. Not really leaving me much, are they? I hope we're gonna have no bloody crops to have to worry about anyway. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to do some grind here just to cook up some crops and that for the next day. But this is where I'll be bidding you adieu, and I will see you in the next video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and share with your friends. Tell them about us. Alright, thank you very much. See you next time. Bye.